Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be filming. Oh my gosh, I finally have my background. Literally has been since March that I have used this background and all my lights. Finally, we're settled in Florida. It's been such a long journey. But we are here. And I'm finally back to filming, and if you haven't already noticed, I chopped 8 inches off of my hair, and if you're wondering, I am obsessed and I love it, and it's so easy, and that's why I'm making today's video. I've had so many people tell me how much they love my hair, and I thought maybe I would start some videos and do like hair tutorials on how to style short hair, like today's video. So if you guys want to see how I style my hair and curl it and make it look beachy, then let's just jump right into it. Okay, so the things you're gonna be needing is some hairspray. I love this hairspray, it's amazing. I picked it up at Ulta. It's Bedhead by TIGI. It smells amazing. Mine's like completely gone. Hopefully I can even use it in this video today. Use a brush that is covered in hair like mine and a comb. So yeah, and obviously you're gonna need like a flat iron or a curling iron of some sort. For me, I feel like my hair curls the best with a straightener just because that's what I'm used to. I love curling my hair with a straightener. I like using a barrel, but for me, I just love using a straightener. And I've had the straightener that I have right now currently since I was like 15, and I'm 23 now. So it's lasted a long time. I just have it's like a generic normal straightener. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. So my hair is freshly washed and it's freshly blow dried and everything. So this is like as much volume as I'm gonna get as soon as I get out of the shower and blow dry it. I have pretty thin hair, but I have a lot of hair, if that makes sense. It's not like thick, but it's pretty fine. So I usually have to blow dry my hair or else it's gonna be completely flat. So this is what I'm working with right now, is just kind of wavy. So then I go ahead and do a part for the day, and I like to switch up my part just so my hair is like okay with going all different directions. So that's usually like the part I like to go with if I'm like curling, but it doesn't really matter. So this is what I'm working with. So normally when people curl their hair, they like to like separate and stuff. For me, for this hairstyle in particular, I don't like to do that just because I like when I have pieces that are not curled. I like pieces that are just like my natural straight, because then at the end it ends up looking more of like a beachy, messy curl rather than super perfect and curly, if that makes any sense. So literally I just take my flat iron. By the way, I'm obsessed with having short hair. Like, it's so easy and it just looks so good. So normally I just start with my top hairs and I curl like so, and I try and leave out the bottom, and if I didn't, I usually straighten it because I like my bottoms to be very, very straight. I like when my pieces are a little bit thicker as well, instead of grabbing smaller pieces. So then I'll go, and some of the pieces, like, I don't even curl all the way. If you can see, I didn't even curl that all the way, and I just kind of like leave it straight at the bottom. I'm gonna go and grab this piece, and I'm gonna curl it towards my face, and then I'm gonna leave it at the bottom. So just like randomly, I'm gonna have pieces that are towards my face, and some that are away from my face. The ones that I am getting close up to my face, I like them to be facing away. So, because then it just kind of like opens your face up. I don't like when curls are coming in towards your face. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and start curling all the other pieces that I see. It's funny, like I started doing my top layer and then I work my way to my bottom layer because I don't really care that much about the bottom layer, if that makes any sense. So I'm gonna curl some towards and some away. So then a lot of those pieces I'm just not even gonna care about, and I'm gonna run my fingers through my hair throughout the entire process. And then once I get to the bottom, I don't really wanna curl too much. I just kind of grab the whole chunk and just kind of do that. And then I literally would call it good from here. Like, there's a ton of straight pieces in there, but I don't care at all. I really just like all the texture, all the randomness of it, and I think it looks good. So there's the difference. Obviously, I haven't done any like ratting, any volume, any hairspray yet. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. And I usually grab a fairly big chunk for my front bang, and I like to do this. I don't even know how to explain how to do that curl. But I only do that one really to that one, and then I curl away like this, like almost like I'm flipping out my hair. Now underneath, I'm just gonna grab like a big chunk and just do that. So now I'm gonna go like this, see what's going on. If I've got any type of like creasing, go over that. And then some of the pieces I like to go back over the top and start higher and then straighten the end. So that is usually what I do. Now I'm gonna show you guys how I tease it. Oh, let's see. Let me get the back pieces a little bit better. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is grab the comb. So easy. And I'm gonna go like right underneath where my ear is, and I'm just gonna rat it. And kind of just like run my fingers through it. And go a little bit right next to my part. Do that. Same thing right above my ear. Right by my part. And then I just kind of like play with it until I really, really like it. And right now I'm pretty pleased with how it's looking. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray with whatever I've got left in my hairspray. I always make sure to kind of like get my part too. Get all the flyaways away. Hairspray is key, and this is the best hairspray I've found, especially because I've got such thin, straight hair. This keeps the volume all day long. I'm telling you right now, if you want to keep the volume, that's gonna really help you. Okay, so some of these pieces I wanted to go through and straighten. But yeah, that's how I do a really quick curl to short hair. I am loving my short hair. It's so much fun and it's so easy to style. Seriously, it takes me like no longer than like 10 minutes. Honestly, it takes me like 5 minutes at most. Before I was doing my hair in like 15 to 20. Like seriously, curling, I can get it done in like 5 minutes, honestly. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!